Alright, let's talk. You're here because you're curious about Linux. Maybe your Windows machine is getting slow, maybe you're tired of forced updates that break things, or maybe you just heard about this cool free alternative and thought, what's the big deal? Well, the big deal is freedom, performance, security. Switching to Linux can feel like taking the training wheels off your digital life. An old sluggish laptop that can barely open a web browser, making it feel snappy and new again. Not having your OS spy on you, not having ads shoved into your start menu, complete control, how it looks and how it runs. Windows is like a pre-built gaming PC from a big box store. It works, but it's full of software you didn't ask for. Bloatware. Linux is like building your own custom rig. You choose every single part. Okay, so you're ready to take the plunge. Your first step is to pick your flavor of Linux, which we call a distribution, or distro for short. Don't get overwhelmed. There are hundreds of them, but for a beginner coming from Windows, the choice is actually pretty simple. I'd strongly recommend starting with either Linux Mint Ubuntu. Think of Linux Mint as the most comfortable transition. Its default desktop, called Cinnamon, looks and feels a lot like Windows 7, start menu, taskbar, system icons in the corner. Ubuntu is another fantastic choice. It's one of the most popular distros in the world, which means it has a massive community and tons of support online. Both Mint and Ubuntu come packed with all the software you'll need to get started. Before we do anything to your PC, we have to talk about the most important step: backing up your files. I cannot stress this enough. We are about to wipe your Windows installation completely. That means all your photos, documents, game saves, everything, gone forever. So grab an external hard drive or a large USB flash drive. You can also use a cloud service like Google Drive, Dropbox. Go through your computer and copy everything you care about. A blank USB flash drive, 8 GB or larger, is perfect, and a small free program called Balena Etcher. This magical little tool will turn that downloaded file, it's called an ISO file, into a bootable Linux installer on your USB stick. Now we need to tell the computer to boot from that USB drive instead of from its hard drive. You'll see a menu from your Linux distro. The installer wizard starts. When the installation is finished, a message will pop up telling you to restart your computer. Go ahead and do that, but make sure to remove the USB flash drive when it tells you to. Your computer will now boot up directly into your brand new Linux system. The first thing you'll notice is how fast it is. Your first boot is a moment to celebrate. You did it. Your first move should be to run the software updater. Next, explore the Software Center or Software Manager. Search and install thousands of free applications with one click. Your system already came with Firefox for web browsing, but if you prefer Chrome, you can easily install it. You'll also find LibreOffice pre-installed, which is a complete Office suite that's compatible with Microsoft Office files. If you're a gamer, don't worry. Steam is available for Linux. One of the best things about Linux is how customizable it is. If you get stuck, remember that the Linux community is one of the most helpful you'll ever find. Welcome to the world of Linux. You've taken control of your computer, and your journey is just beginning.